As children in the upstate pack away their summer and gear up to head back to school, many are uncertain about the new changes they're facing. Some parents are worried about the virus and the unknown surrounding its transmission between children.
Certainly can transmit the virus. Now, the difference and the question that we don't know the answer to is how effective are they at transmitting that virus?
But according to data released by the American Academy of Pediatrics, 15% of all cases reported in South Carolina were from children, making South Carolina the fourth highest percentage out of all states.
So with other respiratory viruses, so take influenza, for example, kids are really efficient spreaders of influenza. So they get it and they spread it very quickly throughout the community. And they're one of the big harbingers of that virus in our community. We don't know yet with this virus how effective the children are at spreading it. There is some data that they're not quite as effective as adults are. They do have the same amount of virus whenever they get infected. We know that from a number of good studies recently. But there are some studies that show that they're a little bit less efficient at spreading it from themselves to other children and themselves to adults.
Experts are still unsure about the likelihood of transmission of the virus between children and adults, but Brownlee urges parents to keep an eye out for symptoms.
Symptom-wise, it's mostly, cough, runny nose, low-grade fevers for a couple of days. Which really kind of makes it difficult to differentiate it from a lot of the other cold viruses that we see in this time of year and then, throughout the year.
And out of states that reported for the last 2 weeks of July, South Carolina trailed in second place behind Arizona with the highest cumulative cases per 100,000 children.
Keep them home. Help protect other kids in that environment and teachers in that environment who are going to be doing a lot of heavy lifting for us as a community over the next few months.
Governor Henry McMaster ordered $10 million worth of PPE to slow the spread for this upcoming school year. In Greenville, Kristen Cheatham, 7 News.